I hear a sound in this cutting unit. Exactly, I saw that there is a little play here. You can hear the sound. And because of this grooves, they don't match because of the play, and it is damaging the sticks, and you can see the sticks which are bent in this fashion. Okay, now you can hear the noise here when I start the cutting unit. Because of the grooves, they don't match, it damages the stick, and I can see the mark on the sticks which I said earlier. When I start the cutting unit, you can hear the sound, tick 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 tick.